Here is how we can change the language of iPhone inside of the settings. So we have to locate the settings app. At first, for me, it is in the dock, or it might be on the home screen, or you can swipe down like this and literally just type in settings so you can get it inside. Now that we are on the main page, I want you to scroll down a little bit and find the general section. Part of general, you can go below and essentially find the language and region section. So this is what I can see when I get inside. So I have the languages section at the top, but it is essentially a list of preferred languages. And think of it as an order where it matters which language is selected at first. So if I don't see the language I want to set for my phone, I'm going to click on add a language and choose the one I actually wish to have on my device, right? I'm going to scroll through the options and let's say I'm going to add this one. So when you select it, it's going to ask you if you want to keep on using English, or if you want to set the new language as the main one on your device. If I choose the first option, it of course switches the language of the whole thing. But if I choose the keep English, right, it's going to essentially stay at English, but it's just going to install additional language to my device. So as you can see, I got the black screen. It is taking a while, quite longer than you might expect for this particular scenario. But at this point, my phone is still in the language, but we added another in the English, but we added another language in there. But let's say that I want to make Spanish the language of my phone. And since I have it on the preferred list, I can essentially just grab it like this and make sure that it shows up at the top entirely, replacing English as the main language. And when I lift my finger up like this, you can see I get to confirm it. And then now it is gonna change the language from English to Spanish, right? So at first you add it to the list, and if you want to use it, you actually have to put it at the top. And then now you can see the whole thing. It's inside of the, it's in Spanish entirely. So let me know what you think below. Definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.